Welcome to ASSURIoT, your high-value asset monitoring system. With your tracking device added to your asset in the app, you're now ready to physically install your device on the asset.
With each tracking device, we include hook and loop and 3M command strip mounting hardware. We also include alcohol pads so you can clean your device and your asset surface.
The various attachment methods allow you to install your ASSURIoT tracking device in virtually any location. To install hook and loop, simply remove the backing and place a pad on the device and on the surface you intend to mount it to. Hook and loop attachment is secure, and removal for charging is straightforward. To install 3M command strips, first separate the strips. Remove the backing and place the first strip on your device. Be sure to leave your device ID visible for future reference. Place the second strip directly onto the surface you intend to mount your device to. Firmly press the strips together for positive interlock and to mount your device securely. With command strips, device removal for battery charging is easy. If you would like to remove your command strip at any time, simply pull the tab and the strip releases without leaving any residue. The various attachment methods allow you to mount your device in any location. Choose a location that is hard to see, dry, and secure, but easy enough to access when you need to recharge. Rest assured that your device is secure.